Hello and welcome back. What we have done in the last video, we are going to set up the same thing, but this time we have Linux machine. Okay, so let's set up the same. Here I have local repository and remote repository, and I want to connect them. Okay, but this time we are going to set up everything in the Linux machine. So here I have AWS Amazon machine. Okay, now I just install Linux and then I install Git. Okay, now when you start using your Linux system, okay, with Git, the first thing is you have to type the git config -list command. If you are not getting anything, it means you have to set up this global setting. Okay, how? So here we have to set up this. If you have already done this, no need to worry. But otherwise, please complete this git config. Okay, global user.name, and here I am going to add my name, Bhavesh Atara. Okay, then we have to set up user.email. Okay, this is a basic setup or a global setup that we have to set up first. Then we can go ahead, right? I am mentioning this step why, because sometime if you are just starting or created the Linux system for the practice, okay, and if you are unaware and I am performing whole step directly, it will be problematic for you. Okay, so I just added. Now you can give the command git list, and I am getting this. So now no need to worry, we can start.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atara. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you. You can enjoy.
Creating our local repo. So here in the Linux system, I am going to create local repo right now. So the command is same. We don't need to open git bash. Everything is into the same command. Okay. So I'm going to create one directory, mkdir my data. Okay. Going to the my data. I'm going to say git init. Okay. Git, let's create one file, vi1.txt. Going to perform same process as per the previous video, right? wq git add 1.txt, git commit -m version 1 and 1.txt. Okay, git status, git log, and this is the commit I have, and we have same master branch here as well. Okay, now going to the remote repo. We already created one repo during the last Windows connectivity. Here I am going to create the new one, so there will be no confusion. I am going to say my code. You can give any name, my code. Let's say that my code Linux. Okay, and here I am going to create public and create new repository. Okay, done. Now we have like a same common process that we have done for the Windows machine, but here we have one twist that you need to understand. Okay, so command is git remote add origin. You can give any name, that is what we have discussed, and this is the URL we have. Okay, yes, done. Nothing to worry. Now I'm going to push this. Okay, git push this u origin. What do we want to push? Master. Now look at this. Okay, see here I'm going to enter this, and it is asking me for the username and password. Now normally what we will do, we will enter our username and password for our GitHub account. Okay, this is the account in which we are logging. So here we have like a CloudFox Hub 123. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. It's not allowing me to copy this from here. So I'm going to this. This is my GitHub username. Okay. Right? Now password. Now I'm going to enter this password. See, I am sure that my password was actually right, but it will never accept your password. Okay. Why? Because after I think 2020 something, they changed the way it works. Okay. Here if you are going to enter your normal password, it is not going to work. You have to generate the password and then you can use this. And that's why I have created this video. Okay. Because you must have idea about this. Okay. So how I can generate the password? Let me explain you. You have to go to your Git. Okay. I am inside the Git right now. Here, when you click on this, you will get the setting options. Okay, once you go to the setting options, you will get developer setting. Okay, in the developer setting, you will get personal access token. You need to click on token. Okay, here you can click on token classic. You can click on generate new token. Again, generate new token classic. Okay, you can specify the node. Okay, test. Now you will also specify that how many days this will be expired. I am going to say 90. As we are doing our repo related operations, so we need to select repo over here. Others are not important right now. Okay, and you need to click on generate token. Now keep this in mind. This is your password. Git will never provide you this password again. Okay, so you can copy this and you can store this into the secure place. Right now, I'm going to store this into any computer. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, so this is like I'm storing this, but it is very important to store it into the secure place. Okay, now this will be your password. So I'm going back to this. I'm going to post this again. Okay, username we have CloudFox123. That you can find out easily from here. Okay, this is CloudFox Hub 123. Yeah, it is CloudFox Hub 123. So that's why it is a good idea to copy and paste. Okay. Now password. I already generated the password. Okay, let me test it again. Going to copy this. Copy it. And here I'm going to paste this. Okay, pasted. It is not visible, but yeah, it is pasted. And now it works. Look at this. Okay. And now if I am going to the Git. Okay. Here I have two repo, but my repo is my code Linux. Okay. And here we have one commit. This is our 1.txt file. Okay. And this is a version 1. Okay. So now everything is working properly. Okay. You can also verify commit name. Okay. Commit hash 937. Let me go to this. Okay. 937 CVAR. Right. So this is how you can add remote repository into the Linux system. So now everything is done. If you look at this, we have working directory, staging area, local repository. We also understood that how we can push this from the remote. We will also go for the reverse process, don't worry, but I think this whole process is now completed. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.